and we certainly would not leave her to suffer. We would offer food, water, and care. We are fortunate to have this one precious human life to offer compassion to the voiceless, to those in the animal realm. We understand that stray dogs are a serious concern and that there's no quick or easy solution to ease their suffering or our frustration sometimes. But with patience, wisdom, and compassion, we can address this challenge in a way that reflects the teachings of the Buddha and the great examples set by His Eminence. The dogs of Ladakh can be some of our greatest spiritual teachers because they give us countless opportunities every day to practice compassion. We chant mantras, we offer butter lamps, we dedicate merit to all sentient beings. But the dogs of Ladakh are asking us one simple question. Do we mean it? Are we serious about our compassion practice? Maybe the next time we see a hungry dog, we can offer a parleji or a chapati instead of a stone or a stick. Let us remember that this being may have once been our mother in another life. So, Your Eminence, in recognition of your lifelong compassion for animals and your generous support of the Chamba Animal Care Center, it is our great honor to present you with the Kukuriba Legacy Award. Thank you, Jule and Thiksay.